Okay, today I wanted to share some powerful secrets that you can use to break the diet plateau cycle. Plateauing when losing weight is something that happens to all of us. And you start out making great progress, then all of a sudden you stop losing weight, or it slows down to a pathetic crawl. Well, the good news is this discouraging anomaly is really easy to fix and get you back to losing weight quickly. So if plateauing happens, take really good notes here because this will fix you, all right? Okay, first, you've got to eat more protein. Aha, you heard me, eat to lose weight, right? Now, if that isn't music to any dieter's ears, then nothing will be. So go ahead and eat, right? But it's not just eat any old thing, of course. Your body requires a lot of protein to expend energy during the digestion of meals and snacks. Eating protein helps give your metabolism an automatic boost. And protein digests slowly so you feel full longer, and that prevents overeating. And of course, protein builds and maintains muscle tissue in your body. And it's a massive calorie burning machine. So getting plenty of it really helps your dieting efforts. The best protein options are white chicken, white turkey, beef or steak, fish, egg whites, tofu, and legumes such as beans, peas, and lentils. Okay, the next thing that will burst apart any weight loss plateau is to do a healthy detox in just 5 days. And I'll be making a detox video a little later on. So be sure to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss that, okay? All right, next up is strength training. Now, strength training is great because muscles keep burning calories even while you're resting. The more toned muscles you have, the more calories you will burn. For every pound of muscle that you gain, you'll burn as many as 50 calories more per day. So if you're trying to lose weight, focus your workouts on strengthening exercises such as push-ups and crunches and squats, lifting weights, barbells, and stretching with resistant bands, okay? Next, again, a dieter's dream, is to eat. Yeah, you must eat all throughout the day. Never skip meals, thinking that you'll save calories and shed pounds. And that's because when you deprive your body of needed calories and nutrients, it kicks into starvation mode. And then it stores fat instead of burning it. And it conserves energy and slows metabolism to a screeching halt. And that is the exact reason crash diets that restrict food will always fail. So be sure to eat regular meals all day long. And eat meals and snacks that combine lean protein and fiber found in many fruits and vegetables, okay? All right, another tip, sip green tea. And maybe consider taking green tea supplements. Green tea contains catechins, and that's a substance very well known to boost metabolism and burn and break down fat. And another important thing about catechins is it lowers blood sugar and insulin levels, it lowers blood pressure, it lowers bad cholesterol and raises good cholesterol. So it's important for healthy arteries. Now, you can't really drink enough green tea to get the levels of catechins that you'll need to accomplish all of this. So that's why I say consider taking a green tea supplement. And there's really a lot I could say about catechins and green tea, so I'll probably make a separate video on this topic alone a little later on. So be watching for it. It's important, valuable stuff. Okay, and finally, stay hydrated. Dehydration mimics hunger, and that leads to munchies when all we really need is a 0-calorie water. Drinking plenty of water before and during meals fills the stomach so that you feel full, and we're more easily satisfied so that we eat less. And also, studies show that drinking cold water also boosts metabolism because it burns more calories. Okay, so there you have it. Easy tips and easy solutions for when your diet hits that dreaded plateau. And so I hope you've enjoyed these powerful slimming secrets as much as I've enjoyed sharing them with you.